Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit Aqua Brown color filter using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. Let's start editing. Exposure value to 0.40. Contrast plus 40. Highlights minus 92. Shadows plus 61. Whites minus 70. Blacks minus 45. Now go to curves and follow these steps. Go to color, temperature, +4, tint to +4, vibrance to +61, saturation -20. Go to color mixer. First go to red, hue +40, saturation +30, luminance +12, in orange, hue -28, saturation -19, luminance +10, yellow, hue -82, saturation -40, luminance -17, green, hue -100, saturation -66, luminance -51, aqua, hue +51, saturation -36, luminance -81. -81. Saturation -43. Luminance to -32. Purples. Hue -29. Saturation -42. Luminance to -15. Pink. Hue -86. Saturation -14. Go to Effects. Clarity to +24. Dehues +5. Go to Details. Sharpening to 12. Noise reduction to 16. And color noise reduction to 25. And finish. Now copy these settings to another photos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.